Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Looking to add a checkout page to your Square online store? In this tutorial, we will guide you throughout the settings app and customizing a checkout page with Square's tools. Let's get started and streamline your sales process. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, what I will need you to do is pretty simple. Make sure to open your Square app website. Simply go to your Square app account and log into it. Now for the checkout and the settings of it, well, first of all we need to actually provide some information so we have the checkout page correctly made. First of all, which are the payments. We have to get the payment settings all connected. So go to the settings here and go to the account settings and make sure that in here you have everything is verified, everything is connected correctly, so you can have your Square account like secured and have also your payments method connected within the account itself. For example, here if I want to make a payment, let me just go for payments right here and go for bill pay, as you can see. So for example, mail a check or bill pay, here when you add a bill that you have to pay, you have to add within this bill with what are you going to pay it with. Or for example, if there is an order, let me just go here and basically let's say for example you have orders or you have sales channels, so it's gonna be here and you have like orders in this list right here. You will have also to get your payments method connected with this website, because without it you will not be able to receive the money from your orders. So as you can see here, it is currently accepting orders, so everything is working well. But in case your website wasn't accepting orders, just make sure that your website actually has a well connected payments methods or payments gateways. In case these are not very well maintained, then you might lose money instead of making money. You might get orders, but these orders are not going to the right place, which is basically your wallet. So the money is basically getting lost somewhere or basically going to another person's wallet, which you don't want. So now for the checkout, and how can we find it? Well, since we have this here accepting orders, then we might find the checkout right in shared settings right here in the checkout. So as you can see right in here, click on checkout and you will be taken to this page. Now as you can see, you can toggle on and off the orders so you can accept them or not depending on your situation. Now for the checkout and what it has. First of all, the payment gateways that we talked about. We have here Square that accepts Visa, MasterCard, American X, like a lot of payments gateways that you can see right here. It even accepts Google, Apple Pay, depending on which one you would like to have the access to. So you can turn them off and on depending on what you want. Also, guys, the Square fees will depend on your website's plan. So in case you had a very low website plan, then the fees are basically going to be higher. If you had a very expensive website plan, then of course the fees are going to be lower. So you can find them here in the website plan. So you can go here and as you can see, let's for example upgrade this one. So let me just upgrade it, and as you can see we have three main plans. So depending on the plan that you would like to go for, you will have here multiple features that will be accompanying it, and also this one will have the lowest processing rate and it will have also the lowest ratio of the transactions. Also here they have and they accept Afterpay as their payments method. So as you can see, it supercharges sales by allowing your customers to buy now and pay later with Afterpay. It has 6% plus 30 cents per transaction fee. Customers can pay in installments throughout Afterpay, and you get paid in full right away, and Afterpay takes on the risk of fraud and chargebacks. You have also payments such as Cash App, which accepts payments from millions of Cash App customers, the fastest growing digital wallet in the US, which has 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction fee, and free Cash App business profile where customers can discover your business. We'll have also here PayPal, so you can have PayPal connection with very per business plan. Customers pay with their PayPal accounts or their credit card throughout PayPal, and decreases by an average of 18% since all of the world has to own a PayPal account. So at least like 9 people out of 10 of people that are above 18 have a PayPal account. And now for the checkout experience. The checkout experience and basically the fulfillment, etc, etc. Now there is group ordering, so you can allow buyers to share their carts with friends and family for group ordering. This one comes with an upgrade, so in case you didn't upgrade your plan to a premium plan, then you won't be able to use this one. There is the fulfillment progress metering card. So on this one, if you offer free shipping or local delivery on large orders, a progress bar will show in the cart, encouraging buyers to add more to each to reach the minimum for free shipping local delivery. There is also tipping, so you can add tipping, configuring tipping for pickup or delivery, and QR codes order. Customers inputs. Here this is very important, guys, because here you have to add your customers informations. So click in on edit and you'll be able to edit and have everything that you need. For example, as we said, we need customer notes. This one is not really necessary in case you didn't have a business that sells customizable products. Let's say, for example, you are an owner of a restaurant and you sell in pizza. Then in that case, yes, the customer note is very important, because not all of people would like onion on your pizza. There's people that would like to remove the onion from the pizza, so this note will help you to manage the taste of your customer. But of course, the most important one is your recipient's address and the buyer address, basically the buyer address. So this is very important because you will be able then to actually ship the product into them. So these informations are not only necessary as customer as connection with customer, but also collection of data and also to ship the product itself. If you are not going to ship the product, then yeah, you might say, why would I need it? For example, you are selling a digital product to someone on the internet, then yeah, why would you need his address to sell or to ship this product to him? You can simply just give him the download file or the product that he needs online without his address. But in case you had the physical address, then yes, this would be important to actually have. And then add some store policies and these advanced settings which you would be able to be changing as well. And yeah guys, with that being said, that was it for today's video. Thank you a lot for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.